Merhaba arkadaşlar. Thank you so much for the famous Turkish hospitality.
Welcome to the 2024 ACI Europe Annual Congress and General Assembly.
Good morning. Welcome to Türkiye.
It's with immense pride that I welcome you here today in our vibrant city of Istanbul.
Well, Istanbul is always a place where everybody wants to go.
We recognize the importance of pursuing our net zero agenda.
It's a very good use of everyone's time, and it's very productive and very valuable, pulls all of its regions together.
To share ideas, to share best practices, and to learn about how each of our respective organizations can work together on policy issues.
The good Lord put Turkey in this wonderful central position, and obviously you're making the most of it, and I think that's to be congratulated.
So it's very nice that this event happens in the Istanbul, which is the ancient city with huge history and great future.
We have the great opportunity to share the views of the industry with our colleagues here.
Real pleasure for me to welcome you all in Istanbul. A real pleasure to be hosted by ACI Istanbul Airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Hello, Turkey, eh?
I can't think in a better place to be at this moment.
The co-winner is ACI Istanbul Airport.